What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Tamara Recipes, and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to show you how I make some baked chicken in my kitchen. So if you are interested, remember to stick around till the end to see how I prepare the recipe. Consider subscribing if you enjoy the video for more amazing content. Remember to give me a big thumbs up, share the recipe guys, I do appreciate it. Let's get started. So in the bowl I have my seasoned chicken. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box that I use to season the chicken, so remember to check it out. So now guys, for some persons who don't know where the description box is, there's a down button below the title. That's where the description box is. So just click the down arrow and then it will bring you straight to the description box. Now guys, it's best to bake your chicken with the skin on so that all the moisture will be sealed in. So I have my baking container here. You can use the type of container that you choose. I'm not gonna bake a lot of chicken. I have a small family, so you can bake as much or as little chicken as you like. So just add them into the baking tray, but remember to give them some space so that they will have enough, so that they will get enough color as they bake. If you pack them too close, then it's going to take a longer time for them to have a nice brown color. So any juices left in the bowl that you season the chicken with, remember to place it on the chicken. So as you can see, I'm just fixing the chicken in the baking tray so that they can have enough space. So I'm going to put it in my preheated oven and let it bake. For the first time, I'm going to let it bake for about 25 minutes, then I return. So this is how it looks after 25 minutes. As you can see guys, it starts to have a nice golden brown color. So what I'm doing here is just using juices that were released from the chicken to base it so that it will seal all the moisture. Right, so don't skip this step. So after I finish doing so, I am going to turn the chicken pieces to the other side and put it back in the oven. So in total it will take about an hour to bake, or hour and 10 minutes to bake. Remember to follow me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So guys, the reason you should subscribe is that there will be a lot of delicious and interesting recipes coming your way. So now I'm going to push back the chicken pieces into the oven. So after about 40 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pour off all these delicious juices from the chicken and I'm going to make a nice sauce. So just stick around guys and see how I make the sauce, and also to see the finished product. So to the pot I added, to the saucepan I added 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm also adding some fresh seasoning. I will list those ingredients also in the description box. So I like to add fresh seasoning to the pot. It adds such nice flavor to the sauce. But if you want to use your powdered seasoning, you can as well. So I added a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. I'm adding the juices from the chicken, and I'm also going to add a few more ingredients. Now guys, I like to stir as I cook, so that all the ingredients will be fully incorporated. So I'm going to add some ginger powder. Now if you have the fresh ginger, go ahead and use it. I'm using the Maggi ginger powder. I'm also going to be adding some tomato ketchup. Now guys, if you don't love tomato ketchup, you can always add some tomato paste. Now the tomato ketchup, it enhances the flavor, but if you don't like it guys, I can't tell you what to do in your kitchen. I also added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Do not use granulated sugar guys. I think the brown sugar give it a nicer taste, because it has the molasses. Yeah. So I'm adding a teaspoon of white vinegar If you want to use apple cider vinegar, you can also. I added a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm going to let it cook until it thickens, and then I will show you what I do next. So after the sauce thickened, I am adding it to the chicken pieces. So I'm using a pastry brush to apply the sauce. Now guys, if you don't have a pastry brush and you don't like the long cooking method, then you can always just pour the sauce on top of the chicken pieces. Now I like to baste my chicken, but that is the other option if you don't want to baste the chicken. So I'm going to baste each piece, and then I'm going to flip them to the other side, and I'm going to baste that side also. Then I'm going to put it back in the oven, and occasionally I baste the chicken until it's finished baking. So guys, my chicken is finished baking. As you can see guys, it has a nice caramel color because of the brown sugar that I used, and also I used a little browning to season the chicken, so you know it has a nice caramel color. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing for more amazing contents. Give me a thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Share the video guys, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching again. I do appreciate you stopping by. Please do come again, as I love preparing interesting and delicious recipes for you. If you try the recipe, remember to give me your feedback. Also check the description box where I will list all the ingredients that I use to season the chicken and to make the sauce. Thank you so much for watching again. I do enjoy having you here. See you next time.